Good. I is the subject. Alberto?
Lent is the verb.
Lent is the verb. Good. Sylvia?
$10 is the direct object.
$10 is the direct object. Keep going, Sylvia.
My friend is the indirect object.
Good. My friend is the indirect object. All right, good job. Anna, who lent?
I lent.
What did I lend, Alberto?
$10.
Good. Sylvia, who did I lend to?
My friend.
Great. Now notice that the direct object comes first before the indirect object in a sentence. We can also make the same sentences a different way. Okay, look at these sentences. I lent my friend $10. What's different? There is no to, and the places of the direct object and the indirect object have changed, right? So, Anna, who lent?
I lent.
Good. And what did I lend, Alberto?
$10.
Okay. And Sylvia, who did I lend to?
My friend.
Good. So there are two different ways to write the same sentence. So you can write first subject, verb, direct object, to or for, and then the indirect object. Or a different way, subject, verb, indirect object, and then your direct object. Now that we understand direct objects and indirect objects, let's practice. I will give you the words, and you make the sentences in two ways. Okay, let's see. I give you my pen, and Anna, I gave. Alberto, can you do this one?
I gave my pen to Anna.
I gave my pen to Anna. Good.
I gave Anna my pen.
All right, I gave Anna my pen. So the first sentence puts the direct object first and then the indirect object. Second sentence changes places. So you have your indirect object first and then your object, direct object. All right, Alberto, can we say I gave Anna to my pen?
No, that's very funny.
Okay, good. Anna, here is one for you. I'll give you our teacher and a postcard Maria sent.
Maria sent a postcard to our teacher.
Okay, Maria sent a postcard to our teacher. Good.
And Maria sent our teacher a postcard.
Maria sent our teacher a postcard. Very good. Okay, Sylvia, I have one for you also. For Sylvia, we have us. My grandfather showed and his photo.
My grandfather showed us his photo.
My grandfather showed us his photo. Good.
My grandfather showed his photo to us.
My grandfather showed his photo to us. All right, very good. Can we say my grandfather showed us to his photo?
Huh? No, that's a crazy sentence.
That's right. All right, good job, everyone. Let's practice looking for direct objects and indirect objects. I will give you some sentences. I want you to tell me which is the direct object and which is the indirect object. Okay, more examples. Okay, Anna, look at the first sentence and tell me the direct object and the indirect object. She bought him a present for his birthday.
Him is the indirect object and the present is the direct object.
Good. Him is the indirect object and a present is the direct object. Okay, and how do we say the sentence when we change the positions of the direct and indirect objects?
She bought a present for him for his birthday.
She bought a present for him for his birthday. All right, good. She bought a present, okay, direct object, for him, indirect object. Now, Sylvia, can you please look at this next sentence and tell us the direct object and the indirect object? He gave her some flowers for passing her exams.
Sunflowers is the direct object and the indirect object is her.
Good. And how do we say the sentence if we change the positions of the direct and indirect objects?
He gave some flowers to her for passing her exams.
Good. He gave some flowers to her for passing her exams. Very good. Okay, Alberto, this is your sentence. They gave us some flowers and chocolates.
The direct object of sunflowers and chocolates, the indirect object is us.
Okay, so the direct objects are some flowers and chocolates. Indirect object is us. Okay, and how can you write the sentence a different way?
They gave some flowers and chocolates to us.
They gave some flowers and chocolates to us. All right, very good. Sylvia, here's another one for you. You're all doing very well. Children give presents to their parents. Sylvia.
Presents is the direct object and their parents is the indirect object.
Good. Presents is the direct object. Their parents is the indirect object. Okay, and the other way to say the sentence.
Children give their parents presents.
Children give their parents presents. Okay, good. So now we understand how to write the sentences two ways if they have a direct object and an indirect object. Great job, everyone. Now it's time to look and listen.
Look and listen.
Sylvia wrote a long letter to her boyfriend. Anna gave a nice present to her sister. Alberto lent his sister 20 euros. Our teacher passed the student her pen. The student passed mine to the teacher.
Read and repeat.